Today I'm going to teach you the third class of spring. The first line is 一二三四五六七八 twice, then is 一二三四五六七八. After is 一二三四五六七八. But we're going to do it part by part. The first part is 一二三四五六七八. 一二三, you hit it on the third drum. 四 on the first. 五六七 on the third. 八 on the first one. Now let's try it on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second part is 一二三四五六七八. 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 You play it on the second drum. 一二三四五六七八 on the first drum. Now let's try it on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first and the second part, let's link them playing twice on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our third class of spring. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.